Hi sir, this is K. Ishwan from CSC Data Science, second semester. Today my topic is about Blue Eye Iceland. Which is belongs to the programming for problem solving subject. Now we have to discuss about it in this presentation. Let us discussing about it. Blue Iceland Python project. The introduction to Blue Eye Iceland. Blue Eye Iceland is a unique and serene location known for its stunning natural beauty. The island is famous for its vibrant blue waters and rich biodiversity. In this presentation, we will explore the Python project aimed at enhancing the Iceland conservation effects, but not about that Iceland geographical area and any other biodiversities. Now we are discussing totally about the Python project, which is aimed to enhancing the Iceland's conservation effects. Purpose of project. Now what is the purpose of the project? The main objective of the Blue Eye Iceland Python project is to promote environmental sustainability. The project aims to utilize Python programming for data analysis and environmental monitoring. By leveraging technology, we can better understand and protect the Iceland delicate ecosystems. What is the purpose of project is the main objective is to promote environmental sustainability. The project aims to utilize Python programming for data analysis and environmental monitoring. Next year side we have seen that project objective is time bound and realistic, achievable and measurable and specific. These are the five objectives which are used to develop the project, and by the leveraging technology we can better understand and protect the Iceland's delicate ecosystems. The key technologies are used in this Blue Eye Iceland project is the project primarily uses Python as a programming language for its versatility and power. Data analysis libraries like Pandas and NumPy and utilized for handling environmental data. Visualization tools such as Matplotlib and Seaborn help in presenting data insights effectively. Python applications, first web development and software development and database access, game development, desktop applications, education, network programming and the 3D GAN. These are the total Python applications which are used in the Blue Eye Iceland project, and the NumPy and Pandas are used to handling environmental data. These are the two data analysis libraries, and visualization tools Matplotlib and Seaborn are help in presenting the data insights. Data collection method. Various sensors and devices are deployed on the Iceland to collect environmental data. Data on temperature, humidity and wildlife activity is gathered continuously. The gathered data is crucial for analyzing trends and making informed conservation decisions. Here we have seen that one of the picture DG data center and to internet and data users. From DG data center, internet to DG data center, and the sensor user and the personal data and body sensor. When the body sensors are come from sensor user and sensors to internet and internet to DG center, it is one of the cycling process which is involved in the data collection method. Various sensors and devices are deployed on this Iceland to collect the environmental data. To collect the overall environmental data, we have to use sensors and devices. Data on temperature, humidity and wildlife activity is gathered continuously. Next, data analysis techniques. Statistical methods are applied to identify correlations between different environmental factors. Machine learning algorithms help in predicting future environmental changes on an Iceland. The analysis results guide conservation efforts and resource allocation effectively. Types of data analysis techniques. Methods based on mathematical and statistical approaches and methods based on the artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are the total data analysis techniques which are used in the project. Machine learning algorithms are help in predicting the future environmental changes on the Iceland, and the statistical methods are applied to identify the correlations between different environmental factors. This analysis results about the conservation effects. Next, what are the challenges are faced under this Iceland? Is collecting accurate data in a remote Iceland setting poses significant logistical challenges. Ensuring the reliability of sensors and devices against environmental wear is crucial. Data management and processing can become a complex due to the volume of information collected. Next, the challenge is data analysis, data quality, data security, and data pipeline automation, data integration. These are total comes under the data management. To find such a data, it is very crucial because of remoting of the Iceland setting poses significant logistical challenges. Next, community involvement. Local communities plays a vital role in the success of project through active participation. Workshop and training sessions are conducted to educate residents about conservation, and engaging the community fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility towards the Iceland ecosystem. Key findings so far. Initial data suggests significant fluctuations in wildlife populations due to climate factors. Water quality assessments indicate areas require immediate conservation effects. The project has identified potential threats to biodiversity that need to be addressed urgently. Based on data analysis, targeted conservation strategies are being developed. Restoration projects aim to rehabilitate affected habitats and enhance biodiversity. Community LED initiatives are encouraged to promote sustainable particles on the Iceland. Next, what are the future goals of this Blue Eye Iceland is the project aims to expand data collection to include more parameters and locations. Enhancement in machine learning models are planned for improved predictive capabilities. Long-term sustainability goals include fostering a culture of conservation among visitors and the locals. The main future goals of this project is to aim a expand data collection and include more parameters and the location. The pillars of data collections is website and the Internet of Things IoT and databases and business systems and paper documents. What to collect, where to collect, how to collect. Data collection method, application programming interface and optical character recognition and robotic process automation, intelligent document processing and web scraping. How much to collect, where to store the collected data. Data responsibilities, SQL and NoSQL databases, data warehouse and data lake. These are the total pillars for data collection. Next, collaboration with organization. Partnerships with environmental organizations enhance the project's reach and impact. Collaborative research initiative help in sharing knowledge and resources effectively. Joint projects increase awareness and funding for conservation efforts on Blue Eye Iceland. International partnership and network alliances, national partnerships, knowledge partnerships, and local institutes and local implementation partners, government and private sectors. These are the total organizations want to collaborate with Blue Eye Iceland to success this project. Educational outreach. The project emphasizes the importance of environmental education for all age groups. Interactive programs and activities are designed to engage students and visitors. Raising awareness about the Iceland unique ecology fosters a conservation mindset. Impact of tourism. Tourism has both positive and negative effects on Blue Iceland ecosystem. Sustainable tourism practices are promoted to minimize environmental impact. The project aims to balance conservation efforts with the economic benefits and tourism. Economic impacts of tourism, positive and negative. Foreign exchange earnings and it is inflation. Contribution to government revenues and generation of employment, balance of payment, trade account balance, stimulation of infrastructure investment, contribution to local economies. These are the positives for economic impacts, but negative impacts also someone is there. Inflation and opportunity cost, dependency, seasonality, leakage and enclave tourism, seasonal character of jobs and prostitution and the underground economy. Next, success stories. What are the success stories? Several success stories have emerged from the project highlighting positive changes. Local species have shown sign of recovery due to targeted conservation efforts. Community engagement has led to increased awareness and protective measures for the land. Conclusion and call to action. The Blue Eye Iceland Python project is a vital step to preserving the Iceland's beauty. Continued support and collaboration are essential for long-term conservation goals. We invite everyone to get involved and help in this help protect this unique Iceland for future generations. and the feel free to adjust any content as needed. So the Blue Eye Iceland Python project is vital step towards the preserving the Iceland nature and any other etc. It is the total here we are total discussed about the Blue Eye Iceland, which is related to Python project, and here how we store the data and how we collect the data, and the uh, how we which challenges are we are faced, and what is the data types where data collections are used here, and what is the purpose of project. This is these topics are totally discussed in this presentation. And thank you all, thank you for giving this an opportunity to describe about the Blue Eye Iceland of the programming per problem solving project. Thank you to all of you for giving this a Python Iceland project. Thank you.